The 6 Lexington Avenue Local and less than 6 greater than Pelham Bay Park Express are 2 rapid transit services in the A division of the New York City subway. Their route emblems, or bullets, are colored forest green since they use the IRT Lexington Avenue line in Manhattan. Local service is denoted by A6 in a circular bullet, and express service is denoted by a less than 6 greater than in a diamond-shaped bullet, on the R62A rolling stock. This is often indicated by LED signs around the service logo to indicate local or express service to riders, a green circle for 6 local trains, and a red diamond for less than 6 greater than trains. 6 trains operate local at all times between Pelham Bay Park in the Bronx and Brooklyn Bridge City Hall in Lower Manhattan. During weekdays in the peak direction, less than 6 greater than Pelham Express trains replace 6 local ones north of Parkchester, and run express between that station and 3rd Avenue 138th Street. During this time, 6 Pelham local trains short turn at Parkchester, except for peak direction less than 6 greater than express trains that return in the opposite direction as 6 local trains. Weekdays from 9 o'clock to 11 a.m., select Manhattan-bound less than 6 greater than trains run local from Parkchester to Hunts Point Avenue, while select Parkchester-bound 6 trains run express in that section. The 6 in its current format has run since the implementation of the IRTH system in 1918. Since 1920, it has remained largely unchanged, running between Pelham Bay Park and City Hall with a peak express variant in the Bronx. In 1945, the city closed the City Hall Loop Station, the 6's former southern terminal in Manhattan. Since then, most 6 trains have terminated at Brooklyn Bridge, with a few exceptions in later years. The 62 South African Rand is a New York City subway car model built between 1983 and 1985 by Kawasaki Heavy Industries in Kobe, Japan, for the A division. A total of 325 cars were built, all arranged as 5-car sets. The cars replaced the remaining R12S, R14S, and R15S, which were all retired by the end of 1984. The R62 was the first order of A division cars in 20 years, following the R36 order from 1963, and the first stainless steel subway car built for the A division. The first cars entered revenue service testing on November 29, 1983, and officially entered service on May 7, 1984. The R62s are scheduled to remain in service until 2023 to 2026, when they will be replaced with the R262s. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our Facebook pages.